First thing first, we're gonna wash my face. I actually feel like a beauty guru, like doing skincare and all of that. Ooh, get it. Yeah, we're gonna use that. Tea Tree Skin Clearing Foaming Cleanser. I use this like every single day because I just don't drink as much water as I should, so like my skin isn't amazing, but we're getting there. It's all a process. I'm just gonna put it on my face. Don't know how YouTubers do this. How do you feel like a fail? My face is now wet, as you guys can see, and so is my chest.
Oh, well done.
Nice dry face. I'm gonna cream my face using this version of Vaseline. Not sponsored. Let's give that a little cream. Oh yeah, guys, I've got a broken nail. I broke it at work, so I use this to cream. And now we can get started with my eyebrows. I have like no eyebrows. It's sad, but yeah. I think maybe my eyebrows are the only thing I know how to do. But I think that's because, like, you know when you've grown up literally with disadvantage, I've grown up with no eyebrows. So I've just felt I had to overcompensate over the years, and the way I did that was mastering how to do my eyebrows. So that's what we're gonna do. Usually I use this. It's Rimmel London's like eyebrow thing, but that is, as you can see, really small. So I got this because one of my friends, Vicky, shout out to you Vicky, she suggested this. It's like a really cheap option. Just the MUA brown pencil thing. I'm really not good at this. I've said thing like so many times. Anyways, I take ages to do my eyebrows, so I think I'm just gonna do them and then you'll see when it's done. Okay, here's my eyebrows zoomed in. I know what you think. It looks a bit weird. Guys, I know this is a failed attempt. I understand that. There's a lot of concealer and it looks super light on my forehead because when I tan a lot on my forehead. But it is fine because my foundation is darker than my skin tone and I do that on purpose. So once I put that on, this will be all covered up. So all will be well. All will be well, guys. No need to worry.
Okay. Whatever you say. So
next, you get your beauty blender. I'm telling you guys, like, you guys don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys know what you're doing, even if you're a beginner. But I'm just gonna get a beauty blender, Real Techniques, because everyone uses that, so why not? Just follow the trends. The foundation I'm using is L'Oreal True Match. Show you that. In the color 8. The color Cappuccino. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even lie to you. So I'm gonna use this foundation in the color Cappuccino. Let's just do that already because I'm just talking way too much. Just squirt it on my face. And as such, we just dab. Foundation's on, like even coat. I think it looks alright, maybe for now. I'm gonna use this LA Pro Concealer Girl. I mean, everybody knows this. Everybody uses this. So in the shade Toffee for my concealer. Obviously, because I'm using darker foundation, I have to use kind of like a darker concealer. And I'm gonna put it on my nose because I mean, I see everyone does that, so why not? Don't really know the difference it makes, but hey ho. I heard somewhere that this is like the T-zone or satin zone. Cute or whatever. I need to stop sticking out my tongue. Ew. Go on and blend, sis. Should I zoom in just to act like I know what I'm doing? Okay. I can just zoom function. It makes me just feel better about myself. I feel like I shouldn't be judged because I am who I am. Love me or hate me. I'm gonna now use this L'Oreal True Match foundation that's quite dark. I'm gonna use that on my forehead just to, yeah. Just cause I'm just gonna dab a bit and just put that on my forehead. Shout out to L'Oreal who seem to have like quite a few black skin tones. I mean, you guys are doing your thing, and these are all drugstore. Anyway, now to bake, as they say, to cook, to bake, to throw this face in the oven so it can come out smoking. See what I did there? That workplace. I really am Elizabethewriter. Now I'm gonna use Sacha Buttercup. I've only ever used Sacha Buttercup to bake, so that's all I know. Ooh, this is just such a disaster. Sacha Buttercup is all I've ever known. So if there was to be better out there, I wouldn't know. Wish I do a contour. Oh well. I'm really just talking to my camera lens and doing my makeup. This is actually a first. Select contour now. I mean, I could. What is this thing called life? Okay, so because I'm gonna contour because I just feel like for the culture and whatever, I don't really see the difference of it, but I mean, oh well. This is also LA Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Mahogany. I think here, I actually don't know what I'm doing. It's not blending. You alright, sis? What are you doing? Okay, so I've dusted that all off. I feel like my makeup takes a few like minutes to set, and like once I go outside, I know it sounds like a makeup excuses. I kind of feel like I am, but really and truly, okay, genuinely, like it'll be fine soon enough. Now I'm gonna use some highlight. Guys, I really don't know what highlight this is. It has options. I really like that about this. Here for it, I just use this fan brush where I can't remember where I got it from. Oh, now I have highlighted my face, glory. Yeah, just put a bit there just to shine like the goddess I am. Now that's done. Now I'm gonna put my eyelashes on off camera, so give me 1 sec. Now I have the eyelashes on. I'm really actually running late. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to hurry up. So eyelashes are on. I'm just gonna quickly get dressed, do my hair, and then you'll see the final look in just 1 second. Before you go, let's just admire the growth, the transformation, and it's not even finished yet. Guys, honestly, for somebody that is not even that great at makeup, okay, I'm doing it again. I need to hurry up. Okay, 1 sec. Right, so you know when you're rushing so bad you don't have time to do your hair. This is me right now. This final look, and I'm wearing this. And how am I going to show you my outfit? These trousers. Boy, if you don't get. And white Air Forces. What are you doing? I was just so stupid. I'm such a rush. I'm losing common sense. But yeah, tops from Boohoo, trousers from Boohoo, pouches from Boohoo, and Air Forces from Foot Locker. Finished look. Sorry, so rushed, but I have to go. Thanks for watching. You know, comment if you want to see any more beauty videos. Doubt that would happen, but this was kind of fun. Except for rushing, this was quite fun. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are entertained, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.